Hello, everybody. My name is Leah Xavier, and today I'm going to be doing a biography on Pablo Picasso. And as you can see on the left-hand side of my screen, this is a photo of him. These are just some general facts about Picasso. He was born October 25th, 1881 in Malaga, Spain. He died April 8th, 1973 in Mogan, Spain, making him 92. He attended San Fernando Fine Art Royal Academy in addition to his prior studies. Picasso was influenced a lot by Vincent van Gogh, Paul Gauguin, Jackson Pollock, and many others. He had 4 children, and in addition to painting, Picasso was also an avid sculptor, printmaker, ceramicist, and did theater design. Picasso's father was actually also a painter and an art teacher as well. So in Picasso's early childhood and teen years, these are just some major events that took place in his life. Picasso impressed everyone around him at a very young age. He started drawing and painting when he was about 5 years old, and even by then, um, everyone around him had started to notice how well he actually drew and painted. And his father is actually the one who taught him art from a young age. But by the time Picasso was 13 years old, his skill level actually exceeded his father's abilities. In 1895, Picasso applied to a prestigious art school in Barcelona, Spain, and it is very competitive at that school, but given his excellent talent, he was accepted immediately. And then in 1897, he moved to Madrid to attend the Royal Academy of San Fernando, as I had mentioned previously in the general facts slide. These are only some of Picasso's most famous works. Definitely, there are definitely more more than just these, but these are just some of his most famous works in his middle years. And these paintings were made shortly prior to his death, actually. They were all kind of like to symbolize him facing death and near death. So, in conclusion, Picasso was one of the greatest influences in the 20th century of art. He created some very extravagant pieces and succeeded in any style of art he tried, and he tried quite a few. Picasso is indeed a legend in the art world today. And that concludes my biography on Pablo Picasso. Thank you so much for listening.